What's up, guys? We got a 1996 Chevy Corvette. Back in the days, took my time doing this install. It brought me back to the 90s. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how it works. I'm gonna go hit lock on the app. Turns on the alarm, locks your doors. You can do this anywhere in the world. Okay, tells you the doors are locked. This is the temperature outside, 82 degrees. The voltage of the battery is 12.9. The signal of the unit. Disarm the alarm. I'm going to hit unlock here. That turns off the alarm and unlocks all the doors. This is the GPS. For security reasons, I'm not going to show location of the vehicle. I went ahead and hooked up this thing to pop for the convertible. Press the button here. Just one more little toy that he can do from far away, so he can approach the car and put the top up. It's just something nice to have. It was easy enough to do, so I threw it in for the guy. As far as this app, you can do it. It's anywhere in the world. As far as the alarm comes with 2 fobs, so you can hit lock and lock the doors, disarm it, and then he can hold this button right here, and that will pump the trunk as well. Okay. When the alarm fires off, of course, he'll get the push notification when the alarm is triggered. And that's basically, I'm gonna go ahead and set off the alarm. Bang on the glass. We went ahead and got the notification on his phone that the alarm's going off. Okay. This alarm was installed here in Miami, Florida on this 1996 Corvette. So yeah, he wanted to get an alert in case he goes into one of those car shows and he parks far away, or anywhere that he goes. If somebody opens the door or bangs into the vehicle, it's going to set off the alarm. We hooked it up so it will flash the actual parking lights of the vehicle. Okay. One more thing we also hooked up, so when the alarm fires off, somebody tries to start the car, it does a starter kill, so the car won't be able to start. You know, these type of old cars, we could do a lot of the starter kills, and a lot of the new cars sometimes are those push to start. Yeah, those are kind of you don't want to interrupt that push to start system on a lot of those vehicles. But yeah, in these older vehicles, I can do the starter kill. So this alarm was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. The numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814 on this 1996 Chevy Corvette. Thank you for watching this video.